Hi guys, today we're going to show you the Projector LED fog light kit. This set is available at Cartrimhome, link will be in the description. It's a very cool product. I'll show you right now what comes inside the box. First I'll show you this one. As you can see, we have the Projector LED fog light in here. We have brackets which match the OEM exactly. This one goes on top, gets secured with one screw right here and one more over here. This module can be attached to the body of the vehicle by using the double-sided tape or the screws if you choose to do it this way. Here we have the second piece, which is already assembled. As you can see, we used 2 screws and washers. The installation is plug and play. This end gets connected to the original connector, so you don't have to cut any wires. Here we have extra screws for the second set. This wire is something that you don't have to worry about for North American market. This is the only connector that you need to connect. Today we'll show you how to remove the OEM, how to install the new fog light, and we'll show you how it works. The installation of the right side is complete. We'll show you guys how the left original looks like. And let's compare it to the new one. And this is our new Projector fog light. It fits perfectly. It was specifically designed for the RAV4, as you can tell. I'll turn on the headlights and fog lights. And this is what we get. As you can see, on our right side we have very dim yellow light. On the left we have bright Projector LED light. And besides it being white and bright, as you can see, it also cut off on the top like this. This means that it won't blind the other drivers when you turn on the fog lights. Alright guys, one more look. Right side is the new fog light, left side is the OEM. And yes, I mean, it definitely looks a lot better, a lot brighter. You see how much light we get here. It doesn't blind me right now. I'll show you guys from this angle how it looks like. You can clearly see the new fog light and barely see the original. It almost is not visible at all. So the Projector LED fog light definitely makes a huge difference. Right now we'll show you guys how it looks like from inside the cabin. And as you can see, on the left side we have the new Projector LED, and the right side is almost not visible. I will go outside. And just take a look. Huge difference. And as I said, it doesn't blind the other drivers. Our review is complete. As I said before, the new fog light fits perfectly. It's Projector LED fog light. As you could see, it's a lot brighter and works a lot better in this vehicle. If you guys like the product, I will leave the link in the description. I will start with this screw. Now there are, I believe, 3 of them underneath, which we have to remove as well. We are using 10mm socket. Now this piece comes off. You can see now we have this opening already. Now our goal is to remove this part. Now I will remove this one. All of them are 10 millimeters. This one is small. And one more right here. We have one plug right here that we have to remove. We need to use a screwdriver and pull it off. We have one more over here. Same idea. And I'll take off this one right here. Pull it out. This piece comes off like this. And now we should be able to access our fog light, which is located right here. Right here we have the connector, which we will disconnect. On this side, on the left, I'll try to show you guys, this is the screw that needs to be removed, right here. There is one more on the other side. We can either try to access it from here using the screwdriver, or we can also try to access it from the top. Also here we have the adjustment bolt for the fog light, for the OEM one. Right now we will disconnect the original connector. Right now we'll unscrew the left bolt. And right here, I'm actually filming from the top. This is the right screw, which we also accessed from the bottom. Right now we will remove the fog light. Here it is. This is how it looks. This is how the bracket looks like. We have 4 ends. Alright guys, this is the new bracket that we have in this set, and we just wanted to show you that they do match the original. We have 2 small brackets on the right side, and we have 2 longer ones on the left, which do match each other. So the bracket, the new one, goes on top of the new fog light. It gets secured with a couple of bolts. There's one bolt on this side and one more right here, and you can actually adjust this side. This is our first screw. Second one goes on this side. We inserted the new fog light. As you can see, we had to put the left top side on top of that pin right there. The lower left side will be secured with the screw, same with the right top side. Now we can connect the original connector to the new one. This electronic module can be secured on the body of the vehicle. We'll try to show you where approximately we plan to install it. I'll try to get the light in there. You can use double-sided tape to attach it to the frame of the vehicle somewhere in that area. Another way to attach this module is to use screws. As you can see, there are 3 holes to attach it to the body of the vehicle as well. This is where we decided to put the module. As I said, it can be attached there by using the double-sided tape. Our installation is pretty much complete on this side. The right side is being done exactly the same way.